Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix missing or broken touchpad settings on a Windows 11 laptop. First, open the search menu and type Control Panel. Open it from the results. In the top right corner, change the view to large icons. Click on the mouse. On most laptops, you should see a touchpad-related tab. I have a desktop, so I don't have one here. Open it and check if the touchpad is disabled. If you see an Enable option, turn it on, apply the changes, and test the touchpad. If you do not see any touchpad option, open the search menu again and type Device Manager. Launch it. Expand mice and other pointing devices. Find your touchpad, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. Select Automatically for drivers and wait for the process to finish. Restart your PC after that. If the issue is still there, open Search and type Troubleshoot Settings. Open it, then click Other Troubleshooters. Run the Bluetooth troubleshooter if your touchpad uses wireless features. You can also run the keyboard troubleshooter to check input devices. Let Windows apply any fixes it finds. As a final step, open the search, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. Type sfc/scan now and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish, then restart your PC and check the touchpad again. Thanks for watching.